Hi everybody, today I'm printing out some new colors for some of the mermaid cake dots that you can put on to make like little scales on a birthday cake. And I decided to do an actual cake with them to take some pictures for the listing, but also to see how long it takes to actually decorate a cake so that I can give that information to customers, because sometimes they don't want to refrigerate it. It's better not to refrigerate these, but it probably won't hurt the cake. The thing is that you just don't know. So it's better to put these dots on when the cake is at room temperature. But I know, when you're getting ready for a kid's birthday party, I understand that there's not a lot of time. So I'm going to show you how fast it is to actually put these on a cake, because it really doesn't take that long. And I will speed it up a little bit so you don't have to watch the whole thing. But I'm going to punch these out. I'll be ready to put them on the cake in a bit, and I will record it as I'm doing it to show you how long it took to decorate the cake. Okay, so this took 8 minutes and 3 seconds, but it took me that long to turn the timer off. But that's all it takes to do these cakes. So if you are worried that you're not going to have time before the party, don't worry about it. It's very quick. This is the new color combination that I have listed on my website, so go on over there. I'll put the link in the description. This is a really easy way to do a mermaid cake very quickly, and you can just do this right before the party starts, and that will save having to worry about refrigerating it, and it should be fine, and that's it. So leave any questions, but I will talk to you guys later.